Why hello there folks, here we have the Homelist Rechargeable Ceiling Light battery operated wireless motion sensor light with remote, battery powered ceiling light shower lamp for bathroom, closets, bedroom, kitchen, garage, and hallway. It's currently under $30 on Amazon. On the box it says LED motion sensor rechargeable ceiling lamp, high brightness LED, automatic sensor, easy installation, and brightness adjustable. On the other side it says LED shoot. Lumens 500, motion sensing range 18 feet, light coverage 300 square feet, auto shut off 20 seconds, color temperature 3000, 4000, and 6000. Let's open it up and see what we got. Inside the box we have a remote, a USB-C cable. I know that this thing is rechargeable. There is a rechargeable battery inside, a manual, screws to mount it to the wall or ceiling, wherever you want to mount it, and the light itself. So let's check it out. We have a USB-C port on the bottom right here, a piece for the mounting system, and a couple of buttons. It looks like a sensor right here as well. So we can turn it on auto, we can turn it on. There's also a button here to change the temperature. So this should be 3000, 4000, and then 6000. And that seems about right. This is very bright. So auto is night sensing mode, on is constant light mode. This button of course changes the warmth, and then we can turn it off. We can also charge it. As you see, there's a dim red light inside the sensor. That shows that it's charging. Time to take out the remote, pull this tab right here. So let's turn it on. We can turn it off with the remote. We can turn it back on. Here's daytime sensing mode. It will not be affected by the ambient brightness, and the light will be on automatically when sensing the movement. The next button is light sensing mode. That actually turned on some of my lights actually. So there is a dimming feature here. Let's go all the way up and all the way down. Check that out. We're dimming the light. We can also switch between 3000, 4000, and 6000. And then we have a 15-minute timer, a 30-minute timer, a 60-minute timer, and timer off. If you want to install this onto a wall without using some type of double-sided tape, you can use the screws that it comes with. So what you will want to do is install the screws into the back plate right here. This will stick into your wall. You see there are two little plastic brackets going in opposite directions right here. And inside the light there's a little hole here and a hole down here. So these will pretty much lock in place like that. As you see, I installed it onto the wall over here. I turned off all of my lights, and I'd say it's illuminating the room quite well. Let's switch the warmth. Wow, that's nice. I can feel the warmth. Now let's go to 6000. That's max. Let's dim it down all the way. And there we go. We have a little light on the wall. Probably works great for closets, rooms, wherever else you want to put it. All right, and I like it. I'd say it's working well. If you want to pick up one of these lights for yourself, I will leave a link to it in the description. Look how bright it is.